All right, Cravings and Seasoning gang. I know you probably just watched my garlic Parmesan wing video, so if you're wondering what I'm having with it, I'm gonna have some asparagus. Meet the co-star of the show, part 2. All right, so we're gonna use a little salt, pepper, Worcestershire sauce, and a little bit of brown sugar. So get that skillet hot, your wok or whatever. We're gonna stir fry this asparagus. Make sure you spray it down with some olive oil. Let's get it, let's go. All right, go ahead and get that stove turned up. Get your olive oil ready. Let's go ahead and coat this thing down. And for those of you that have been with me for a while, that have been subbed to my channel for a while, and my friends that are on here, you know I always add something extra after I start cooking. So it's your choice. If you like garlic, I like to throw a little garlic in there. All right, my friends, the garlic is in. Let's get that spread out. Doesn't that sound lovely? All right, let's dump this asparagus in there. Off with the peppers. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon and about a teaspoon of salt, maybe a half teaspoon. Now, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of our Worcestershire sauce. And if you're wondering about Worcestershire sauce, here you go. You can see what it looks like on the back. Nothing bad at all. Zero everything. And only 3% sodium. Let's get that going. And while that is cooking in that Worcestershire sauce, we're gonna go ahead and add a little brown sugar. Put about 2 tablespoons in there. Also, if you like your veggies a little more crispy, go ahead and pour that juice off and just let them pan sear after that. Once everything's coated, you can pour that mixture off. All right, be some pictures here at the end, my friends.